Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense right here on the Patreon account of English Makes No Sense. So glad you could join me. My name is SL Rockfish, or you could call me Sarah, because that's my name. So glad to have you here. Happy New Year. It's our first class of the new year, and it's a little late, but it was the holiday. So I thought you really weren't going to look at it anyway. And I just had the time. Get away. So let me get started right away. I decided to start from the bottom up of the house and let's do some laundry, a lesson on cleaning clothes. Am I actually going to teach you how to clean clothes? No, because I hate cleaning clothes. But we're going to do a lesson on laundry and the way we talk about laundry, because everyone has to do laundry. So let's talk about it and learn the proper vocabulary. Are you ready? Let's go. Here we go. I'm going to move myself around as I record. Whoop, over here, I'm over here. Got it. Okay. Laundry. In the United States, we use the word laundry. You can practice that. Laundry for dirty clothes and linens that need to be washed or cleaned. For example, throw down your laundry. That's what I yell to my kids when I want to do the laundry, when I want to do the wash. That's another name we say, or another vocabulary word. We're going to do the wash. We're going to do the laundry. Okay. Now, laundry is also the name given to washing the dirty clothes and linen, and when the clothes are clean. I kid you not. For example, have you done the laundry? Have you cleaned the clothes? Or I am doing the laundry. I'm going to move myself again. I'm moving around so I can show you my cool graphics. Okay. Have you done the laundry? I am doing the laundry. That means I am cleaning those dirty clothes. I finished the laundry and it's still laundry, even though now it's clean. I know. Crazy, right? Fold your laundry and make sure you put your laundry away. So here the laundry was dirty. Here it's in dirty getting clean. I finished the laundry. Now it's not dirty anymore. It's clean. Fold your laundry, clean clothes, and put away your laundry, clean clothes. Oh, why don't we have a different word? I don't know, but here we go. Laundry is the name also given to the room in a hotel, hospital, or another institution. Like, for example, laundry is down next to the boiler room. It's the actual room itself. We call it the laundry. Some people call it the laundry room, or it's just the department that does the laundry. So it's laundry. I know. Take your linens down to laundry. They will clean them. Got it. Now this word right here looks like linens, but it's pronounced linens, short I. How we use the laundry. We do the laundry. I have to do the laundry. I hate doing laundry, or I hate doing the laundry. Sometimes you use the, sometimes you don't. Article, no article. It doesn't matter. I am doing the laundry now. I could easily say I'm doing laundry now. The article in this case is not always necessary. I didn't do the laundry yet. Or you could say I didn't do laundry yet. Oh no. Why do we have an article sometimes and other times not? It all depends on how you feel, but you do not have to have the as the article in front of it. Rarely do we go do a laundry, but we do the laundry. Okay, there's a basket full of laundry. Don't know if it's clean, don't know if it's dirty. It's just laundry. When you do the laundry, when do you do the laundry? Me? Many people have a certain day for laundry, and some call it laundry day. Hey, today is laundry day. Laundry day in my house is Sunday. I should have that better. This should be the laundry day in my house is, that should say is, my apologies, Sunday. Do you have a laundry day? Do you? I know my husband picked Sunday because I'm so lucky. He does the laundry. I know he likes to do laundry. What are you going to do? Now, here's some vocabulary for laundry. Delicates, delicates. I put the two different ways to pronounce it. We have delicates. A lot of people pronounce it cuts, and I pronounce it, and most people in the Midwest call it delicates, delicates. But it has an A. Yeah, we don't care. It's got an or an E. Why? Because it's English. Let me move myself again so you can see the. Okay, delicates need special attention and water temperature. That's a fun word, temperature, temperature. Then we have detergent or detergent. Let me take a look at the first one. It should be a long E because you have the E consonant E. So this E should make this E say its name. But many places pronounce it, in the US anyway, detergent, detergent. Or you could say detergent, detergent. Emphasis on the second syllable, the ter. Got it? There are many different types of detergent or detergent. Don't forget to buy the detergent. Now, detergent is also known as laundry soap. Another name for detergent is laundry soap. Don't forget the laundry soap. And many people only use one type of laundry soap or one type of detergent. Sort. Sort is a verb. We sort, what means we organize the clothing or laundry by color, fabrics, and water temperature. Here, these people are sorting laundry, probably by customer. I have to sort the laundry by colors and whites. My son never sorts his laundry. He just puts it all in all together. I know, crazy. So sort, that's a verb that goes like, did you sort the laundry? Did you organize it by color and temperature and other things? Then laundry chute. Oh yeah, it looks like chute, but it's shoot, shoot. The CH for this word makes the sh sound. Laundry chute, where you throw your laundry down. My house has a laundry chute. You put your clothes right down here and it goes all the way down to the basement. The chute usually goes down to the basement, usually. Some houses have the laundry room on the first floor. I have a very old house. My chute is in the basement. Well, the chute goes from the second floor to the basement, but where we get the clothes out is in the basement. Now we have a laundry hamper or a clothing hamper. A hamper. Hamper usually means to stop, but a clothing hamper or laundry hamper is where we place your dirty clothes until you wash them. So you could use it in a sentence saying, throw your dirty clothes in the hamper, or put your dirty clothes in the laundry hamper. See how we broke up clothes and hamper in here? Or you could say the clothing hamper. Either one works. Practice it. Do you throw your clothes in a hamper, or do you use a laundry chute? Or do you, like my son, leave it on the floor till it's time to do the wash or the laundry? Laundry basket. It is easy to carry laundry in a laundry basket. They come in different sizes. This is the only basket that I know that's really like, yeah, that's a laundry basket. Where are your laundry baskets? Many people like to carry their clothes in a laundry basket. Clean laundry and dirty laundry are often carried in the same laundry basket. Yeah, the dirty clothes go down to the washer, and the dirty clothes the clean clothes come back up from the washer. All in the same one. Well, when I was in college anyway. Now I have a chute. Washing machine or washer. The washing machine is the same as the washer. The machine used to clean the clothes is known as, let me move myself down, the washing machine, also known as the washer. Yeah, where you put your clothes. Oh, my clothes are in the washer. Okay, I'm moving myself around again. The clothes are in the washing machine. I threw your shirt in the washer. Here's a washer. That's a fancy washer. Okay, now there are two types of washing machines or washers coming down here. The front loader, the front load washer. Those are those. I don't like the front load washer. I don't trust them. I don't know why, but that means they go in the front. And the front load washers are supposed to be better than top load washers. Why? Because they use less water, but I don't like them. I don't like the door in the front. Top load washers. I prefer the top load washers. See, here's the doors. You put all your stuff on the inside. You put it, open up, boop, and just drop it in. Top load washers use more water. Maybe that's why the front load washers are better for the environment, but people have to wash them again. So I use the front load washer. Now, here's a funny word, the dryer. A machine that dries clothes is never referred to as the drying machine. We never say, hey, do you got a drying machine? No, we say, do you have a dryer? We always say the dryer. Your clothes are in the dryer. Check the dryer to see if your clothes are ready. Why? I don't know. We never have. We don't go, oh yeah, the drying machine. Nope, we call it the dryer. We do the washing machine or the washer, but we never say the drying machine, or I have never heard anyone. All right, so now here's some vocabulary that goes with doing the laundry. Bleach, liquid used for whites, and sanitizing. Bleach. Colors, the clothes that are not white. You know, let me move myself down here. Cotton, cotton. Oh, sure, cotton looks like cotton, but it's cotton, the plant and the fabric, the touch, the feel, the fabric of our lives. Cotton. Here's a big word, 2 words, fabric softener. Fabric softener. You could say fabric softener, but most people say fabric softener, or you could say fabric softener. Like it's not a but a I. So fabric softener or fabric softener. Softener. Now we have hand washables. Hand washables are clothes that need to be cleaned by hand. I just put this in there because it's a fun word, hand washables. That's a big word. It's a compound word. Multiple compound words. Hand washables. All right, sayings with the laundry. We do the laundry, we sort the laundry. Where is the laundry? Or where is the laundry room? Now, let me move myself again here. Sorry about that. Okay, check this out. We sort the laundry, we can ask where is the laundry, and that can mean the clean clothes or the laundry room. So you got to pay attention to context. Or where is the laundry room? Have you thrown your laundry down, like down the chute? Where is your laundry? Is it on the floor? Is it in the basement? Is it on the first floor? That could be where's your laundry room or where are your dirty clothes? And when are you going to do the laundry? When are you going to wash the clothes? Laundry has a lot of different meanings and uses. Now, let me check for understanding, because that's a lot of laundry. And I did it because I was doing the laundry, shocker. And I was like, there's a lot of vocabulary for this. So when do you do your laundry? Do you have a laundry day? Do we say dryer machine? Do we say washing machine? Washing machine and washer are used the same way. True or false? Email your answers if you'd like. Okay. Now I'm going to move myself up here again. I made myself a little bit bigger. Let me come in this way. Yay. Thank you so much for being here again. Happy New Year. Hope to do a little better on the lessons. Please let me know what you think or what you would like to see more of. I did the laundry today. I might do the kitchen again or the dining room. I'm not sure, but let me know what you think. If you thought, Sarah, this was a waste of time, then let me know and I'll do something else. I'll go back to doing pronunciations or grammar. Okay. Thank you so much for being here. Happy New Year. And I hope to see you next week. And we're going to do a live on the 15th in the morning. So, Luis, you're in Portugal. So if we do it like 9 o'clock in the morning, my time, that'll put you at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon, or we could do it in the afternoon and put you in the evening. Oh, I said that fast. I'll let you know. I'll have you pick the times. Okay. Thank you so much, my friends. Have a great day. And remember, I love having you here, and you can always give me feedback and send me a message. Okay. Hope to see you soon. And I'm going to hit the stop record and hope this works out. Let me know if you think this is a better way to do it. Peace, friends.